How to use live chat in ManyChat? ManyChat live chat is a tool that allows you to communicate with your subscribers via Messenger or SMS right in ManyChat. It allows you to jump in a conversation and answer the questions, manage subscribers' data manually, add tags, subscribe to sequences, add custom field value, etc., and send them messages. Live chat behavior. Live chat behavior allows you to set two options for live chat. Any message starts a conversation option opens a new chat in live chat section with any message from a user, except for keywords. Conversation should be opened explicitly opens live chat with subscriber only when they perform an action attached to a button or quick reply. Also can be started by an admin when needed. Go to settings live chat to manage the behavior. If you select the second option, the conversation will be opened only when open conversation action is performed, otherwise it will be always marked as done. To do so you'll need to add notify admin and mark conversation as open actions in the needed place of the flow, so you'll be notified about this action, and the conversation will appear in open folder of your live chat overview. Live chat section consists of 3 columns, the list of your subscribers, omni-channel conversation, and user panel. The page icon nearby allows you to see assigned conversations. In case it was assigned to you, you will see it there as well as your teammates' ones. You can switch between open and done conversations with the drop-down menu under the live chat header and sort them, newest/oldest. Select the desired subscriber to see the conversation. In the middle column you'll find the conversation itself. You can assign it to someone and reopen it in case it was closed. Your bot messages are marked with the bot icon and can be hidden with the icon on the top. This allows you to find all the messages sent by page admins. In the right column, user panel, you can see all the information your bot collected during all past conversations, and it allows you to see users' information, profile picture, full name, status, gender, language, time zone. See all channels history, Messenger and SMS. Manage tags. Subscribe and unsubscribe from sequences. See how this subscriber opted in. Manage custom user fields values. Unsubscribe this user, download and delete their data. Please note, you will able to see SMS chat if you enabled SMS channel in settings and your particular subscriber has a phone number in system field and got action SMS opt-in. SMS feature is paid, 1 cent for outgoing SMS, incoming messages are free. Threads, by default, threads are displayed according to the time of the last message from the user. You will find the latest dialogues with recent activity on top and earlier ones will be placed below. Every time you reply to the user, the conversation will be automatically moved to the top of the list. Timestamps indicate the time of the last message that was manually sent by the user. If the user did not write anything to the page, just clicking buttons in the bot's flows, there will be no timestamp at all. These dialogues will be displayed under conversations with manual activity from users. Assignments. Use the drop-down menu as shown below to assign the conversation to yourself or to one of your teammates. Use the same menu to unassign it. You can track all the assignments in a drop-down menu next to the section header on the top left. Pause automation. This option allows you to stop all bot messages while you communicate with your subscriber. As soon as you message them back, 30 minutes pause is activated and your subscriber will only receive manually sent messages from an admin for 30 minutes. Keywords won't be triggered during this period. When the pause is on, you will see the pause icon on the subscriber's profile picture in the conversations list, and you will be able to increase the pause duration or disable it whenever you want in the user panel. Also, when the pause is enabled, if the user was in the flow at the time, all the messages will be sent to the end of the flow or the closest interruption, for example, delay or smart delay. In the cases if the delay is activated during the time of pause automation or even before it, the messages following the delay will be sent only at the end of pause automation. Important note, even if you will cancel the pause automation earlier, messages will be sent only after 30 minutes after the start of PA. If PA active at the end of these 30 minutes, messages will wait another 30 minutes and try again and again until PA ends. Search. Thousands of threads is not a problem. You can search through all the conversations and jump in the desired message to see the details. Enough to start searching. Unfortunately, special symbols are not included. You won't be able to use dollar, and, %, etc. Notes. Notes help you to manually mark your subscribers, add description and other notes to share some information between your team members or add some clarification/reminders for yourself. Use Notes tab to add some information. Only page admins can see the notes. Mentions in live chat notes. Just start typing in live chat notes section to mention one of your team members and notify them. If you're the only admin, you can always mention yourself to receive a reminder in Messenger. Hide messages from bot. This feature hides all the automation messages in the conversation so that you can focus only on the messages your subscriber manually typed to your page. Note, hide messages from bot feature also hides the keywords and button clicks from your subscribers. This happens because such messages are also the part of the automation. Send flow. This feature lets you send a specific flow to the subscriber without having to create additional automations. To do that, just click send flow icon at the bottom of the conversation, then select a flow and click send as flow. Once the flow is sent, you will see a flow sent system message with the flow's name in the subscriber's conversation. Note, if pause automation is on, it will be automatically deactivated once you send the flow. Content types. Now your messages can have a content type tag that would match them. That way, you can reach out to people using a non-promotional, post-purchase update, confirmed event update, account update, promotional, or OTN content tag. This allows you to send messages to people that are otherwise outside of the 7-day messaging window and may have not received your promotional or OTN content. The 7-day messaging window allows you to send messages to people via live chat, but once that window expires, i.e. after 7 days of that user not interacting with your bot in any manner, you will only be able to send them messages with non-promotional or OTN content type. You can also send one-time notification to a user who agreed to receive it but ended up not getting it by automation. More info about content types and one-time notifications can be found in the linked articles. Mobile support. Live chat is supported on mobile devices, which means you can manage your conversations in a browser on your mobile device from almost anywhere. Go to ManyChat.com on your mobile device to manage conversations. You can also download ManyChat app for iOS here. It allows you to handle live chat conversations as well, plus you can manage subscribers' data like tags, sequences, custom field value, etc. More functionality is on the way. Android app is in development now, we'll provide further information very soon. Personas. This feature allows you to personalize conversations in your bot. Enable it in settings to let your subscribers know who replies back. Once you activate it, your subscribers will be able to see the agent name and their profile picture, which will be auto-populated from Facebook. This is useful for a variety of use cases, such as customer care, especially when you have several team members you collaborate with. Personas will help you to make the conversations more transparent and build better customer experience. Snippet. The snippets are pre-populated answers you can send to your subscribers in the live chat with just one click. This is perfect for answering frequently asked questions you already have replies to and don't want to spend time typing the same information again and again. To set up a snippet, head to settings = live chat and scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the snippet section. In there, click plus new snippet. You'll have to specify the shortcut, which is also the name of your snippet, and the text of the snippet itself. You'll be able to edit the snippet here later, of course. Once the snippets are created, you'll see them in the conversations with your subscribers. Simply click on the needed snippet and its content will be automatically added into the text input field. The only thing left to do now is for you to hit send. Smiley face.